So 2026, we've got all this crazy AI stuff coming out, but you really aren't going to make money with any of it, whether you're in software, you're being an operator, you're running a service-based business, an agency, whatever, if you don't know how to go to market. Now, GTM engineering is a fancy word for outreach, as we've called it in the internet space that I've been in the last couple of years. So in this video, I want to show you some really crazy stuff actually on how you can use AI to actually go get customers. Lead generation, sales, outbound, go to market encompasses all of that. So what is GTM engineering? Go to market engineering. Now, why are we saying engineering? Well, we'll get into that here in a minute, but you're kind of going to have a unlock in this video. GTM engineering in the past was like cold outreach automation. Okay, so you have companies like Clay, who is basically a lead scraping sort of cold email tool. They basically coined the term around 2023 when they built an internal team that collapsed SDRs, AEs, and sales engineers into one powered function. So for my internet marketing friends, obviously I've been selling to enterprise for the last year, and so we've learned a lot about this. But typically you have SDRs, okay? You have AEs, and then for bigger companies, like there's this cybersecurity company that I have been speaking with a lot. They're like $bazillion company. Then you have SEs, which would be like a sales engineer. So the SDR is doing lead gen, okay? The AE is obviously working deals. The sales engineer is working with the AE basically as the brain or the dev, but in a sales sense because they're so big. So, oh yeah, we can do this integration with you and here's how much it would be, like that sort of stuff. Now, why does this matter for you? Whether you're being an operator like we teach or whether you're running a software company or really anything, I want us to look at this through the lens of traditional software companies, the way they run. Because we get carried away in info and in this agency growth operating, AI operating game and kind of dumb it down a bit too far. So the new definition is this now covers everything involved in bringing in customers to a business, okay? Outbound sales, SEO, content, paid ads, lead enrichment, CRM management, call analysis, campaign optimization, all of it. If it is in the stack that brings revenue into the business, GTM engineering applies. And now this is actually quite important because AI is powerful enough now to do all of these things. For example, I built this. I made our last videos about this. I built this AI SDR system that literally connects to whatever data source that I want. And I click a button and it goes and pulls our ideal ICP for Kendo. And it actually is accurate. Like this 100% works. I have 1,300 leads now and it cost me $200 and a weekend to generate those leads, okay? That's what GTM engineering looks like now, not LinkedIn automation and all this nonsense. So here's the simplest way to think about it. All the middle work, so the manual, the hands-on, like the keyboard execution between having an idea and getting a result, that's what GTM is going to originate. So for example, we have all of our customers, we have money. What happens in between here is a lot of different things. GTM, just for sake of definition, is going to cover all of this, okay? So why now? Well, number one, the tools are cheap enough. So for your Claude Max plan, which is $200 a month, your N8N, your Clay, you are literally able to do the power of 10, 8, 9, 10 SDRs, human SDRs that you used to have to pay a base for like $500 to $800 a month. Okay, that's crazy. Like that's quite crazy. For example, our AEs at Kendo, which we will still have AEs because we got to run demos, they get a $4,000 a month base just off rip without doing anything. So quite cheap. Number two, the AI output quality is actually very good. So for example, again, this tool, which I'll use as a reference here, these are real leads. I don't want to show you guys a real lead. I kind of wanted to pull up one of these bad ones. Whatever, we'll click this one. Like, I now have all of this information about this lead, their tech stack, their why is a good fit or not, company brief, activity. Like, I have all this stuff. The AI knows all that. Like, it's smart enough. So in the past, even a year ago, it was too generic. Today, again, with the same stuff we teach over and over, which is context profiles, ICP profiles, and well-engineered prompts, AI output is really, really good. Number three, the market doesn't know about it yet. So I'm making this video just to give you guys some free sauce. But a lot of people do not know this. They don't know that this can happen, and they're using AI for everything else but this. This is a new role. Like, companies are hiring for GTM engineers. This is a new job title. And it's literally what we teach at AI Operating. We're teaching you how to be an AI, or we're teaching you how to be a GTM engineer, basically, if you do everything that is inside of our programs. Okay, so it's a new role, and you can usually take a percentage of the output that you're creating for people in doing that, because you are the one responsible for revenue. So it's not a niche side business. It is the business engine. This is a serious thing. Again, everything. So this is how it used to work. You used to have an SDR, a content writer, an SEO specialist, marketing ops, etc., AEs, everything. Very expensive. Now you've got Claude Code, Claude Project plus N8N, Claude Code, total $600, $1,200 a month. Like, and I'm not exaggerating. It's really good. And so this is where this is going now. Well, what's the problem? Businesses don't know how to do this stuff. If they did, they wouldn't hire anybody in the first place. So this is a big opportunity to do as a service or to use for yourself. So here's what the stack looks like for this, and sort of what the tools we're using right now to do this. So number one, you have Claude. This is your strategy and writing layer. So where the context files come from, the first drafts, the ICP, the campaign frameworks, everything's going to come from this brain. And so Claude's project features, which you should know what that is by now, is going to let you store your brand voice, your ICP research, your offer document, your case studies, everything. For example, my cowork literally writes and posts for me on a schedule all of my LinkedIn. And it's in a perfect brand voice. It sounds like me. It's not AI sloppy, whatever, okay? That's one example. So I want you to really, really think, okay, with your brain. If I can write posts, I can write blog articles, I can write SEO, I can write outreach messages, I can write everything else, and then I can just tell it exactly who my target customer is, and then I can use scheduling, cron tasks, automation, workflows, custom software, whatever, to actually like harness all that together. Now you're starting to like get it, and you're like, oh wow, this can actually do that. Okay. Then Claude Code. So if you have Claude Code running in your terminal, this is where it can go do stuff. So you don't need to go build one of these. I just did this because we're going to expand our team and I want it to look professional, and this probably helps enterprise value having it internally, right? However, I can run that system out of my terminal on Codex or Claude Code. So hey, go research leads. Hey, go scrape this. Go do this. Go process this data. Whatever. Like, think of Claude Code as your like AI assistant in that sense for this stuff. Now, very important is your Claude MD file here, which we'll go over in a second. You got to get that right, and then the rest is pretty easy. Then you have things like Clay, Apollo, LinkedIn, Crunchbase, ZoomInfo, Hunter, whatever. These are your lead sources, or at least your initial lead sources. And then if you're smart, you will do what I call is the suggested. So you'll get one lead, and then you will have AI figure out other leads that are similar to that lead. And then you can infinitely, you get what I'm saying? You can infinitely branch out. So you got to have the lead source. And then you have Manus or Gemini for deep research. If you're really smart, what you're going to do is you're going to chain all this together. Basically. That's essentially what my software is that I showed you, just in a pretty version. Now, how do we set this up? Number one is you got to create your project folder structure for it to run on your desktop. Don't use the internet-based Claude. Use it on your desktop. So, very important. All your API keys for your lead sources, your Apollo, your whatever, you need those stored. You need the operating manual that Claude reads first. This is Claude MD. This is going to be this right here, which you'll screenshot here in a second. Your ideal customer profile, so ICP with psychographics and signals, etc. So like, hey, I sell to this person. These are our ideal customers. Here's a list of companies we already work with. Please enrich and figure out who our perfect ICP is. Boom. Tone style, what the client sells, real results from numbers, CSVs of prospect lists, generated emails, blog posts, etc. You basically, again, like when we write copy, you want to give it everything in a nice organized manner, but you're doing this on your desktop in your Finder. Next is you want to write your Claude MD file that is basically going to be the prompt instruction set on how this needs to run. So role, ICP, brand voice, API keys, output standards. If you want, go screenshot this. You're welcome. Screenshot that, feed it into Claude, update it with your ICP. Congrats, you're off to the races. Number 3, load your context files. So your ICP.md, your brand voice, your offer, obviously like what are you selling, and then case studies. Load all of this in, hook it up, boom, you don't have to do it again, and it's going to run perfectly. Now, as far as use cases for this, and I'm going to just brush through these really briefly. Number 1, build hyper-targeted lead lists overnight. Here's some commands for this. That's pretty self-explanatory. Number 2, automate competitor intelligence briefs. So it does help AI if it knows who your competitors are. So every time they do something cool, you can do something cool, you know? Number 3, this is something you could use Kendo for. My software company, shameless plug. Mine will do it better than this, but you can still do it with this the rough way. Your client's close rate is 18%. They don't know why. Here's all the call recordings. Go figure out why, you know? And then you can pull marketing angles out of that. You can pull everything out of that because the calls are the source of truth. Number 4, run a full SEO content pipeline. So I actually hooked up my Claude code to my Framer, which is where my website's hosted, with the Framer MCP, which you can just find on the internet. And it went and it restructured all of my files, all of my pages, all of my descriptions, all my image descriptions automatically for me and got us perfect on SEO. Claude Code did it all. I didn't do shit. It can do all that for you. And it can write blogs, etc. But again, brand voice, remove all the AI slop, make it real. That way it's not flagged. Number 5, content repurposing. So one video can become 30 pieces of content. Number 6, programmatic SEO page generator. So this is going to be like blogs. Like if you go to Kendo, you go look at the footer, you know, blogs, like normal blogs. This is really good for SEO, actually. We're getting customers from doing this. So all of these are great use cases. But the bottom line, guys, go to market is what we're going to call outreach from now on, okay? This is super, super, super important, and you got to be doing this because I'm sure you've heard this. Software is no longer the moat. Product's no longer the moat. Service isn't really even the moat. The moat is distribution. The moat is attention, sales. So if you can crush at that, you're going to make a lot of money. Now, you could do this as a service, 100%. You could obviously do this for your own company, but if you take everything in this video and you apply it, I guarantee you're going to make a lot more money. If you want direct coaching from me and from my team, where we have guys doing $1 million a month, no lie, like we're doing up to $1 million a month right now, there will be a link in the description. Book a call. It's not for everybody. It's quite expensive, but it is a super high level mastermind talking about nothing but super awesome AI stuff like this. So I'll see you guys on the next video.